I caved in and I got myself some of these mouth strips. They look like this. They go over your mouth when you sleep, and I'm excited and terrified to try them at the same time. I have a little bit of a snoring problem, which I don't like to admit, but that's why I got these, because I want to see if they can help. I think it's $7.75 and you get a packet of 30, so I think that's quite good value. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try it, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you honestly whether it worked or whether it didn't, so wish me luck. I'll put the link into the video for you if you want to have a look at it for yourself and see if you think it's something you might like.